Visit the birds at Cape Recife Nature Reserve, the top 10 things to do in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Located on a remote peninsula just south of the city center, Cape Recife Nature Reserve is a wilderness of untamed beaches, fragrant fynbos and dramatic rocky outcrops. It's also one of the best birding sites in the Eastern Cape. Strike out on the 5.6-mile, 9-kilometer, hiking trail or spend hours in the bird hide at the freshwater reclamation ponds. A particular highlight is the tern roost, where you can spot roseate, Antarctic, and Damara terns in season. The reserve is also home to SANCCOB Port Elizabeth, a sanctuary and rehabilitation center for marine birds. For 45 Rand per adult, you can take a self-guided tour and enjoy close encounters with a variety of species including endangered African penguins.